Most of us have seen CGI animations. What if we could create these animations using artificial intelligence? Today, I'm going to introduce you to an excellent method for making animations with AI. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Without wasting any time, let's get into the tutorial. But first, let's watch an animation channel together. This channel only has 12 videos, and each video is less than 2 minutes long. However, the views on these videos are incredibly high. As you can see, most of the videos have millions of views. The income reported by Social Blade for this channel is $25,200 per month. But usually, this amount is much higher. Let's use the Mr. Beast analysis tool to check the income of this channel. It's astonishing. This channel made $45,620 last month alone. So, we can consider making animation videos as well. However, to create an animation, the first step is to have a proper script. In my previous videos, I taught several methods that can be used to create a script and story for animation. You can watch one of these methods in the video above. Today, I want to create my animation story using ChatGPT. Let's go into ChatGPT. We write a simple and general description of what we want. Write a complete script of a short story. The story will be for animation, suitable for the age group of 8 years. Use anger, laughter, happiness, sadness, crying, anxiety, etc. in the story. The topic of the education script is suitable for the age of 8 years. The script should be written in English. Tell all the details of the scenes completely. The duration of the script is 2 minutes. Now, ChatGPT has produced a story for us with all the details of the different scenes. Next, we need to create each scene together. This task is very interesting and straightforward. We go into Leonardo.ai. If you have already created your account on this site, enter your account from the Launch App section. You can easily create an account on this site with your email address. On the new page, you don't need to create an image yourself and write a prompt and get unrelated images. Select the character option. From this menu, select Top. Now scroll down until you find an image that shows a character with full details. Click on the image. Scroll down and click on View More. Now you can find your desired characters that others have already created from this section. You can safely use these images. Find the characters of the story from ChatGPT and select the characters according to the details given in the script. It's better to choose characters that have all body parts complete. Now we need to edit the characters a bit. To do this, we go to canva.com. You can create an account on this site with your email address. Now, from the Create a Design section, select the Presentation option. Upload the characters to the new page. Insert each character one by one and adjust their size. From the Edit Image section, select the BG Remover option to remove the background. Now, choose a green color for the background and save the image. The image should be saved in PNG or JPG format. Do this for all the characters. Now we have images with a green background. In the next step, we go to lumalabs.ai. This site is the final stage of preparing our animation. You can easily create a free account on this site with your email address. Now, you enter a very simple and user-friendly page. All you need to do is upload your image created in Canva and write a simple prompt according to your script and press Enter. It takes some time for your short animation to be ready. You need to create an animation for each scene. In the end, download all the animations. But for the animation, we need to have sound. Among various voice generation sites, I prefer 11lab. This site is very easy to use and comprehensive. You can create any voice you need on this site. If you already have an account on this site, click on Go to APP to enter your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one with your email address. On the new page, you can find your desired voice from the side menu and add it to your favorite voices list. You can even have a dedicated search among different modes or find a specific voice in the search section. Now, enter your desired text from ChatGPT. Select the corresponding voice and click Generate to download the final voice. Now, we need to add the pre-made sounds and animations to CapCut. We also need a background music track to make the animation more attractive. All we have to do is enable the chroma key button from the Remove BG section to remove the green background and add the desired background. You should spend some time and patiently arrange the images together to get a good result. I didn't want to waste too much time, so I didn't show it slowly. However, if you have any issues with creating the animation, please let me know in the comments, and I'll prepare a separate video explaining all the steps in detail. Let's watch the final animation together.
Once upon a time, welcome to Sunnyvale Elementary, where friends play and learn together every day.
Hey guys, let's play hide and seek.
Sure, I'll count first.
Yay!
Everything seemed perfect until something unexpected happened.
Ow! That hurt, little bird.
Found you, Robbie.
Hey, that's not fair. I got distracted by this bird.
I'm sorry, Robbie. Are you okay?
It's just, I was excited to win, but now I'm just upset.
Hey, what's going on? Why are you so sad, Robbie?
Robbie got pecked by a bird, and now he's upset.
I'm sorry that happened, Robbie. Maybe we can play a different game that makes you feel better. Yeah, how about we play tag instead?
Thanks, guys. That sounds like fun.
Sometimes things don't go as planned, but true friends always understand and help each other feel better. Remember, empathy makes the world a better place.
How was it? Did you like it? You can also create multiple animations this easily and put them on your channel to make money. Don't forget that the free services of these sites can sometimes be annoying. So if you want to continue this work seriously, I recommend using the PRO version to be more comfortable and produce videos faster. I hope this video was useful for you. If you liked it, you can like it and press the subscribe button to see more videos, and turn on the bell to watch new videos. You can share this tutorial with your friends so they can also benefit from it. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the tutorial. Until next time, happy creating!